Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an online broker account. First, research and select a broker that aligns with your investment strategy, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader. Next, prepare your personal details, including your social security number, employment information, and bank account details. This initial preparation makes the application process much smoother and quicker for you. Once you've chosen your broker, navigate to their website and begin the online application. You'll typically fill out forms detailing your financial situation, investment experience, and risk tolerance. Be ready to upload clear images of your identification documents, like a driver's license or passport, to verify your identity. Finally, securely link your bank account to fund your new brokerage account. After your application is approved, it's time to fund your account. Most brokers offer various methods, including electronic transfers from your bank, wire transfers, or even mailing a check. Once funded, take some time to explore the platform. Familiarize yourself with the trading interface, research tools, and educational resources. Starting with a small initial investment can help you get comfortable. Before you start trading, always review the broker's fee schedule to understand any potential costs, like trading commissions or account maintenance fees. Also, check out their customer support and educational materials. These can be invaluable as you learn. Remember to stay hydrated throughout your day, and you can find a link to the Owala water bottle, along with other great deals, in the description below. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.